Greetings everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are trying to explain the difference between classification and regression in a simple way for a child to understand. Classification is like sorting things into different groups or categories based on their characteristics. It's like putting toys into different boxes based on their colors. For example, putting green toys in a green box, red toys in a red box, and blue toys in a blue box. In classification, we try to predict which category or group something belongs to. Another example, imagine if we have footballs, tennis balls, and dolls. Putting footballs in footballs box, and tennis balls in tennis ball box, and dolls in dolls box. On the other hand, regarding regression, it's like figuring out a relationship between things and making predictions based on that relationship. It's like guessing how tall a tree might grow based on how old it is. You can look at different trees of different ages and measure their heights. Then you can see how the height changes as the tree gets older. Based on this information, you can make a guess about the height of a new tree based on its age. For example, this tree is older than this tree, and this tree is older than this tree. Regression helps us predict a value or quantity based on the information that we have. To summarize, classification is about sorting things into different groups or categories. But regression is about finding a relationship and making predictions based on that relationship. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.